is monkey.
What the hell?
You tagged him. You touched the ground. You're like this.
No, I didn't. Bruh, I legit went like this. I went like this.
What?
Is that touching the ground?
I swear I saw you go like that. I swear.
Well, don't ask before you do anything. Alright, go.
I'm deleting.
Alright, what are you deleting?
I'm deleting
That?
That whole
This?
Yeah.
You, okay. Okay.
Got you.
What?
Got him.
Alright, you can go in the corner now. Go down there. Over there, to that corner. Watch. Alright, go.
This.
Yes, let's go.
This.
Hey, bro, he deleted that shelf. Oh, damn. He got, oh, you fell. Nah, bro, you're touching it. You're touching it. Let's go.
Oh,
Take it. Take down. Okay, I'm deleting this big boy. Alright, you're good. I'm deleting this now.
That's 30. Wait, is that part gone?
I'm not talking.
Is that part gone?
Just only this part.
Thank
This part right here and this part.
Oh, but this.
That, yeah, that's deleted.
Oh,
This right
you
here,
stepped on it,
this is
monkey?
deleted.
You red monkey, you stepped on it.
oh, I didn't even know.
Oh.
I didn't even know.
Alright, well,
you
let him
deleted it.
pass. Let him pass. It's okay, let him pass. It's whatever.
I thought he deleted that.
One
okay.
time.
Wait, is that
Everybody
deleted?
gets one pass. Wait, no, everybody gets one pass now because he got one. Everybody gets
Is
one.
that
You used
deleted?
yours already. Oh, you touched it. You touched the ground. I saw you. Alright, come here. Come here now. You. I found a new spot. Come here. Now, I need you to come over here and make sure nobody cheats. And if they cheat, you tag them. Alright, that and that delete. Alright, I delete this right here. This thing. That other shelf. Oh, this bro's a god. Nah, bro. Now you, I need you to stay right here and make sure nobody cheats either.
Go.
You're good, you're good. Next thing I'm deleting are these two right here. Go! Deleted those two. Don't do what I think she's gonna do, bro. Bro!
Good God. He's such a.
Nah! Tripping! Nah! Bro, you're such a god. I'm recording you. Alright, go back. Alright, listen.
Monkey.
I'm deleting this thing right here, this little pad.
Oh, you're in trouble. You're in trouble.
No, he's not. I didn't delete these walls.
Oh, yeah, never mind. He's not in trouble. He's
No.
not in trouble.
What the hell?
Hmm?
He got off.
Died.
Why touch me? I'm the host. You go out there. Go out there now.
Hmm?
Alright, I'm deleting that now. You get a free pass. That thing right
You're
there. I'm
deleting-
deleting now.
This?
You fell. Alright, just step on the side. Step outside. Just go outside. Do whatever you want. Now you. I deleted that.
Oh.
Okay, so here. I'm gonna tag you. You're the guy now. Alright, bro. What are you deleting first?
Let me. Okay. I'm gonna delete this. You nice.
No, I didn't.
Okay, you know what? I'll let you.
I can't be
I'm gonna
honest, I
delete
did.
this. Yeah, I know you did. I'm letting you. Nah, if I did. Oh wait, give me it back then. You're
got
just
it.
out. You have to sit out. You have to sit outside, okay?
Damn, the king is out. Alright, I get it.
I'm deleting this.
What the Spider-Man?
Okay, okay. Come. Okay, I'm gonna delete this now. I'm deleting. This is gone, this is gone, this is gone, and that is gone. Good luck. That's gone.
I have a free pass.
Yeah, I'll give you a pass, but that is gone. Okay.
Alright, I'm out.
Okay, wait, let him be it now.
Yeah, come on, boy. Yeah, boss. What person before? You big black monkey!
Nah.
You bet.
I really did you.
Come here. No, wait, come here. Suffer your consequence. Turn around.
Nah, you said I'm
Anyways,
flying.
go.
You said the man flying. Okay, what are you deleting? Yo, he talks? Voice reveal? Voice reveal? Okay. Move, monkey. Go first.